Hello, this is Salvatore Vinciguerra, and in this video, I'm bringing you to Boston, Massachusetts to share with you Polcari's coffee shop, located in the North End in downtown Boston. Boston's North End is an extraordinary Italian-American community located near downtown Boston that has a lot of food and dining experiences as well as historical places of interest. This is the Freedom Trail taking us to Polcari's Coffee. Here's Paul Revere's house located in the North End, and it actually is in walking distance to Polcari's Coffee as well as the Old North Church. And actually, it's right down the street from the Old North Church. Polcari's Coffee is not your typical coffee shop where you go in and order coffee and sit down in cafe style. This is more of a rare find in Boston, and there are very few of these types of Italian ingredient import stores. And as you're looking at the pictures and video, you're going to see just more than coffee on the shelves imported from Italy. You're going to see all kinds of ingredients which you can't get just at your regular grocery store. I know that a lot of Italian Americans coming over from Italy struggle with getting ingredients, and this is maybe one of very few stores. Another store would be the Central Grocery Store located in New Orleans, Louisiana, that actually has very special baking ingredients which are imported from Italy and other places. And there's a struggle for Italian American bakers and chefs to find these very special ingredients that you find in Polcari's. So take a good look on these shelves, as there are some extraordinary things here. Here's a little history about Polcari's Coffee. Anthony Polcari started Polcari's Coffee in 1932. The coffee shop was a dream of his since he came over from Italy at the age of 20. Working as a pocket maker at a local tailor shop, Mr. Polcari saved up enough money to own his own coffee store on Salem Street. Polcari's Coffee was a family-owned business, and Mr. Polcari's wife, Rose, and children, Ralph, Anthony, and Marie, all worked in the store together. Ralph Polcari, who you see in some of the pictures of my video, is the owner now, and he took over the store from his father. And as you can see, it's a very family-oriented Italian gourmet ingredient shop. And yes, they do serve coffee. You can get it by the beans, you can get it ground up, or they can even, brew it for you right there in the shop. Now, if you're saying to yourself, hey, I don't live close to Polcari's Coffee, but I'd like some of those ingredients, they are hard to get, please look in the description box. I'm putting their website. And what we do here in Miami is, if we need a special ingredient from Polcari's Coffee, we call them up and they send them directly to us here in Miami, Florida. This is Salvatore Vinciguerra. Thank you for watching this video on Polcari's Coffee located in Boston, Massachusetts. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to this channel, and have an amazing day. Thank you.